maupay nga gabi sa inyo at tanan. Should I say good evening, beautiful people of Barangay Marolas? My name is Bridget Marisi Montenegro, a 20 years of age stunner all the way last from the plastic city of the Philippines. Welcome to my hometown, Valenzuela City. But tonight, since this is a pageant, please do allow me to stand by the name. Ang babaeng kontrabida na ay bida pa. Bakit hindi niyo po sabay-sabay hiyawan at palakpakan si Miss Jody Santa Maria? Jody Santa Maria always believe in the saying that black... Oh yes, I'm black. And I'm proud to say to you that I have a black skin. Because black has always been discriminated by white. Because when we're the color black, the first thing who came into our mind is loneliness, dirtiness, and darkness. But always been remembered, especially those persons who are watching this competition, that the true symbolizes of black is unity and bravery. Therefore, I'm glad to have a black skin because I am standing for the bus. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Candidate number 4. Miss Jody Santa Maria.
Hello? Hello? Yeah.